everyone in Arts and Crafts with Griselda. Who wants to make a friendship bracelet today? For that you will need 7 strands of yarn, tape, pencil, scissors, ruler, a stick, and a circle shape construction paper. I am going to start with the circle. Take the ruler and divide it in 8 parts, just like a pizza. One of the parts that I have taken here is a little bit bigger, but that's okay. And I'm using red so you can see better, just like this. And there, where all these lines meet each other, here in the middle, you're going to punch a hole with a stick. This one can also be done by your parents. And it needs to be a little bit big, but not too big. Like maybe this size. So you make like a hole, like maybe that big. So when you put the yarn there, it's easy for you to put them through. And I'm gonna take the scissors now and cut just some centimeters right at the lines. Not the whole, not till the end, but just some centimeters, like maybe 2 or 3 centimeters. Just follow the line. Yeah, cut them all. And now you have to put all the strands together of the yarn here. I've chosen some bright colors and some dark colors. And then you need to try to put them through the hole that you punched in the cardboard, in the circle. It's a bit tricky actually. But there you go. And then after you have put them through, you need to tie a knot. Just like this. Now the next step is that you need to really fix this here, just in the beginning, and then you will take the tape away, and I'm gonna use this tape. And now put the strands one by one. Let me just take, because they will really get a little bit messed up, but that's fine. One will go there, and then to the next one, just like this, and do the same for every strand. And then, as you see, we had 8 lines. We can count them together. Let's start here. I'm gonna hold my hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But we have only 7 strings, so one will be left without a string. This will be our starting point. And we need to count clockwise. We need to count to 3 in the clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3. And then this string will go in the line that did not have 1. Now the empty one is the starting point, and then you will count again to 3. You will have to count to 3 all the time. So 1, 2, 3. The black string will go here. Now where is the starting point? It's going to be here, because there is no string. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. The pink string goes here. And you will continue like this. After a while, you will have to remove the tape so you can see the bracelet going through the hole, and you will end up doing something like this. In the beginning, it will look like you're not doing anything, but be patient. Slowly you will start seeing the result. Like I have just started, so you can barely see something, but I will show later a little bit more of work so you can see how it goes. So as you can see, there is like the bracelet. You can keep measuring it around your waist, how long you want it. I'm gonna have to stop now, this one. It's just like the upper part, and so you just have to hold it here, grab it here, and pull it out. And then make a knot. And then you can tie them together, like cut these ends. We don't need those ones. This a little bit, and then you tie them together. It's very small, but it was just like an example, just like this. And enjoy making your friendship bracelet. Subscribe in our channel. Bye bye.